First one I want to show you is the high whip out, right? High whip out. Without the rope, what the movement looks like is most of the movement is going to come from moving your elbow, although your elbow is close to your body, all right? So you can see over here, my elbow is close to the body, and I'm acting like a hinge. So what's going to happen is you first bring your hand up like this, kind of like you're pulling your phone out and looking at your phone, right? So palm towards your face, coming up towards your face. And then what happens is there's a bit of that twist in the body. It's not just a hand movement. You twist towards your right, and now your hand is coming behind your head. And what's happening is first you have your palm at your face. As you turn, your palm is going to face open towards the back of your head. Easy way of thinking of it is imagine you have a long ponytail. And what you're going to do is you move your hand up and you want to put your hand under your ponytail and you're going to whip it. All right? You're going to whip it out like that. So it's going to be 1 and then 2, like this. 1, 2. With the rope, what it's going to look like is you have that movement here like this. Remember the hand coming up, bringing that phone up to your face. Other ways you can think of it is in this underhand kind of swing. It's kind of like you're teeing up for a golf swing or a bat swing, or maybe you're just trying to spank someone's ass, right? So you're going this way, you bring the rope up, it's 1 circle in the front, and it's going to be 1 circle in the back. 1, 1, 1, 1. And you get the second circle in the back by rotating your wrist. So the first circle is with the elbow, second circle is with the wrist. So that's where you do that hair whip, that ponytail whip, throw it out like that, all right? So here's what it looks like from the side. Remember, it's not just the hand, but a bit of the body twist as well. So when you come to the back, you're actually turning your body a bit to the right, right? And this is what it looks like from the back. So I want to quickly show a variation with a broomstick, or just any stick will do. It doesn't have to be this long. But I first saw this variation from Flow with AJ, and I really like using the stick as a kind of a starting point because it helps you understand the rotation movement both in the elbow and in the wrist, and how the object is going to move in relation to your body, right? So if you see over here, I'll show from the front. The first circle, see my elbow is close to my body. First circle is just you kind of drawing that circle with the elbow. When it goes to the back, this is where I say you have the palm facing the back of your head, and now you flick that hair out, kind of like that, flick it out, and then you bring it back to the front, all right? And the really nice thing about having a stick as well is it encourages you to involve your body and twist a bit more. So you're not just doing it with the hands, but also getting the body involved with the twisting and turning as well. All right? So you can see here, one circle in the front, lift it to the back, second circle in the back, and then you're coming back in the front again. Here's what it looks like from the side. And here's what it looks like from the back. Now that you've learned it with one hand, it's not too hard to move on to 2 hands. So you're just grabbing the rope with the second hand, same thing, bringing it up like this with that scooping motion, swing it to the front, bring it over the shoulder, down, over, that's the high whip out.